If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today we're learning the beautiful and very famous song Danny Boy, also known as Londonderry Air or the hymn I Cannot Tell. There are 3 versions of the music, so please feel free to join in and play whichever one feels right for you. We'll run through each version slowly, then at the end there's a faster run through that you can play along with whenever you feel ready. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. Each of our song tutorials at the moment matches with a routine video where you can get to know the key first. I'll link those routines above for you. Okay, let's enjoy learning this beautiful melody. Our key of B flat major has 2 flats, so every time we see a B or E note, we'll instead play their neighbours to the left, B flat or E flat. And in versions 2 and 3, we also have a few G flats in the left hand. Our time signature is 4/4 with 4 crotchets or quarter notes in every bar. Here are the different note lengths we'll be playing. Okay, let's play through the right hand version. We have a little rest at the start and the end, which is where you'll hear the 2-hand intro and outro in the final run through. Great! Here's version 2 with both hands. Amazing! Here's version 3 with both hands. Okay, it's time for our faster run through. You'll hear version 3 played, but you can join in with any version you like. Let's take it easy and enjoy this chance to play. Here we go. And there we are. Next, you might like to learn or revise another beautiful older song. Look for the silver lining and look out for our next sight reading tutorial in F major coming soon. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.